Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today we are going to do the charger plate template that you saw in my thumbnail. Yes, I'm getting ready for my daughter's baby shower. I'm so excited. I'm having a granddaughter. The members of my group really wanted to see the crafts that I was designing, so I just said, well, I'll just go ahead and make the videos for them, the tutorials, and have them here for them to see. If you don't know about my group, it's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricket. So if you would like to join, please check us out. But all I ask you to do is answer all the questions before you join. And I also have a sublimation group, and it's called Sublimation Blanks and Creations. I sell sublimation blanks, and we also show out our creations that we made through sublimation. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's see make sure what layout we have. Let's go to layout, and we need to be on portrait, so it's on portrait. And then we're gonna go ahead and to insert. Then we're gonna go to shapes and just pick out a square. A circle right here. Click on it. Just make a circle of any size and set it right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and go way over here to the right and click on this right here, and we're gonna put in 8. We're gonna go down and we're gonna put in another 8. So this circle is 8 by 8. Okay. And then push enter. Bring it over. Okay. And now we are going to go to make sure we're in the format tab, which is right here, and we're going to shape field. Now, what I want this color to be, I want the background of the shape to be pink. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and push this pink. It's not going to be the right color pink that I'm going to be using because I'm going to make sure I get the baby first, and I'm going to basically color drop it with the baby. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and, or if you didn't want this to be a color, you could went on ahead and went in here and went to pictures or textures. They have textures you can use. You can use gradients. Let's see how the gradients look. Something like that. Or you can go to picture. You can click on the picture and you can get something out of your files, okay, that you already have saved, okay. But I'm going to go ahead with a solid color pink, okay. So now let's do our and right here also, if you don't want the outline, you want this circle to have an outline, you don't have to have an outline, okay? But if you don't want to have, so you can just delete this circle if you don't want an outline, but I want to have a pink outline, okay? Okay, now we're going to insert our second circle. So we go ahead and go back to insert, shapes, and draw another circle. Click on that and just move your cursor to make another circle. Put it right in the middle. Click on this, and then you go, and this height of this circle is going to be 7.8 and by 7.8. And what I usually do, just make sure you get a piece, when I'm doing this tutorial, you get a piece of paper and write all this stuff down so you'll be able to have these for later. Let me go ahead and go make my screen a little smaller so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and shift and select both circles. Select this one and this one. Hold on. Shift and shift. Go to layout, and then we're going to go to align, center. Okay, so they centered. Okay. Okay, so now then we can go align to the middle. Okay. So that's how I want it. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and click in the middle of the circle right here. Make sure we're in the format right here, shape format. And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna fill this shape with my border. I want it to be a gold border, so I'm gonna go ahead to shape field. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to go to shape field, and I'm going to go to let's see, texture. And I'm gonna pick this gold right here. So click on that. But this gold is kind of too dark. I'm gonna go ahead and change this background. I don't like that color, so I'm gonna go to picture. And I'm going to get a gold background that I was working with earlier. So I'm going to go to desktop. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so now I found my background. I have my pink behind here, and I got my gold right here. So now I need to go out to find the images that I want to put on here. So I'm going to go to insert, pictures, picture from file. Get her right here. So now that you see that she is behind, so I need to click on it, just right click, and then click on wrap text in front of text. Okay. And I think I'm gonna come bring it down here because what I'm gonna do is put like a little thank you right there in the middle of the plate. Bring it down some more. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make this color a little bit lighter. So it'll go to transparency. And I want to be. Let me see about. No, let's see transparency about right there. Okay, so that's good right there with a white border. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in some more stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and put a frame right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to insert. And I'm gonna go to pictures, picture files. And I'm going to get my frame, the little pink frame right here, and put it right, push insert. And I'm gonna go ahead and right click, wrap text in front of text. There we have it. Okay. And I'm gonna make it a little smaller. I'm gonna go ahead and put the words in here first. Make it smaller. Probably about right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the transparent for this shape also and make it a little lighter. No. Can't do that. Do that like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink, the same color pink to put that background, okay? Because this pink is a little darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this pink for my color for this little background, okay? So it can at least match that. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, but I want to make sure this is right. So I'm gonna go ahead and click. You can always change this however you want to change it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get more colors. Get the little paintbrush thing, little dropper. Put it right here. So this is how I'm going to keep this, okay, guys? And I'm going to go ahead and go to insert. I'm going to get the word art, and I'm going to say thanks for coming to. Then I'm going to push enter our baby shower. Then I'm going to go ahead and push love. Enter Ryan, Shayla, and Ryan. I'm going to highlight this text, and then I'm going to go to home, center. Okay, there we have it. I'm gonna make the font a little smaller. I'm gonna go to 22. See if we can move this around and see how it's gonna look. Sorry, y'all, I'm at work and the kids are playing. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Put this over some. Yeah, I might hear kids in the background playing, having fun, learning. Okay, I might make these words. Oh, shoot. Let's see. There we go. Let's see how this look in white, okay? Okay, let's see. I'm going to try to make this white if my cursor, if my thing works right. Let's go to white and see how that looks. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so thanks for coming to our baby shower. I will not change the font. Let's see what the kind of font we can use real quick. Nope, that's kind of crazy looking. Nope, I'm just gonna do plain text so people can see it. But let's see if we can find a different like a bold. Let's see boomer. Nope, I don't like that. So you just pick a font that you like. I'm just gonna play around with it and try to find something, and I'll be right back. Okay, I found a nice font that I like. I'm gonna use this font. Okay, everything looks good to me. and all you gotta do is print it now. Let's go to the print preview. So let's go to prints, and there you have it. You have your charger plate, and I'm gonna put this charger plate basically on the table where the gifts are at. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the content of this video. I work do a lot of tutorials on sublimation, on Cricut, on silhouette, paper crafting, all kind of stuff. So check me out. Go ahead and hit that red bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Check out my website, www.charminggalboutique.com. And also, I have an Etsy page, Charming Gal Boutique #2. Follow me on Instagram and Pinterest, Miss Charming Gal. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them below. Until next time, be blessed. Oh, but let me tell y'all first what you need to do. Basically, all you need to do now is just go ahead and push print. And then you make sure you have the right settings. Make sure you have the right printer. And then you go ahead and push print. And you can go ahead and print it. Okay? I have the Epson 7710 and 7720. And I love the way they print. I have pigment ink in mine, so I will be showing you the picture after I print it out. Okay, I'll show you the picture at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed one. Okay, here's the finished product for my charger plate. I just put the sticker paper on there and I just smoothed it on there. And then I got little bubbles, but what I did was just poke the bubbles with this little Cricut tool, and it's all good now. Okay, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day. Oh, it's a bubble right here, so I'm just go ahead and pierce that one, and I'll be done. Thanks for watching and have a great day.